to Run deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this polished stainless steel flat beater. It fits for the KitchenAid 4.5 to 5 quarts, the tilt head stand mixer. So just like this one. This one tilts and it's the 5 quarts. So it fits this machine. Really great. It's polished stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about the coating like coming off or anything, and it makes beating your food easy, like baking or anything mixing. It's perfect for mixing all ingredients. It attaches, it shows here to the models, but overall really great. It's perfect, like I said, for mashed potatoes, baking cakes, you name it, cheesecakes, any type of cake. It's really great, and it's super easy to install. It's got a really nice hole opening. So right here, you just gotta find your opening, which is here in the back. So you push it up and then twist, and it's on. So that ain't not going anywhere. So it's nice and secure. If it's perfect, I'll show you later, but as you can see, really great. And it gets all around in the pan and the bowl, so that way even mixing. Highly recommend it. It's a great addition and attachment for your KitchenAid. And again, it's stainless steel, so it's not going to rust or anything. It's going to last you a long time. So I highly recommend it, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.